Let's do a thought experiment. Visualize yourself achieving a goal. Feel it, believe it, be it. तो ये काम के बारे में नहीं करते नो, काम तो रोज ही करते हो, आज फिर गोल उसकी हमने सेट कर दिया तो देयर इज नो फन. So we will now do this experiment of our goal is to go to a party together. There's an office party, right? The host is right here, and he is hosting a party, a dream party for all of you, right? Feels good. The thought is nice, huh? Office party, everyone invited, and you all having a good time. Okay, now just take a deep breath. Another one. Just close your eyes and follow what I say. Another slow deep breath and relax. Just feel relaxation is coming down your head into your face, down to your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your abdominal region, your legs and your feet. Now you are totally relaxed from head to toe. Now visualize that you have an invite for an office party by your boss. The venue you've all decided. Now see yourself at that venue. You are dressed very aptly for the party and you are meeting all your colleagues. Everyone is drinking. The bar is fantastic. You have all the drinks of your choice. The food is delicious. There is a very wide spread. The music is excellent. You have a nice DJ and you are having a rocking time. Happy with your drinks, excellent food, excellent music, lots of gup-shup. How are you feeling? Now take another deep breath, slow deep breaths. Gently move your fingers off your hands, off your feet and slowly open your eyes. कैसी थी पार्टी? Awesome. मजा आया आपको? You enjoyed? आप ठीक थे? You see now this exercise, whether you believe it or not, very soon there will be an office party. What will be the occasion? I don't know. Who will initiate it? I really don't know. But will it happen if all of you believe that yes, you were there? There is no way it will not happen. It will happen. Right? Now, this is a fun exercise where we went to a party, something we'll all look forward to. Now, likewise, this is something that you can do when you are setting goals. It's exactly the same thing you have to do when you are setting goals. Whatever the goal is, you just have to visualize. See the clients you are interacting with, see the checks coming in. You see, hear the client saying, excellent, I'm very happy, very satisfied, etc., etc. Whatever is your format to get a confirmation by the client, you just see that, just reinforce that. And that is what is done officially. When you are trying to upscale yourself, the experiment which you have done with the party will, when it manifests, you will believe in it more. अभी आपको डाउट हो रहा है कि पार्टी होएगी, कब होएगी, कैसे होएगी, कौन करेगा, कोई ओकेजन तो ऐसी है नहीं, काम इतना ज़्यादा है. You know, right now this is where the mindset is. But when you start believing in it, then these things will start manifesting. Right? Now this is just a culmination of the whole thing, that you are not a drop in the ocean, but the entire ocean in a drop. Which is just talking about what potential you have. If you consider yourself that you are finite, you are small, so that is exactly what you become. But if you feel that you have, and if you realize, which you should, that you have infinite potential, you're only confining yourself to your beliefs.